Fall 2025 is here, and with it comes a wave of fresh, cozy, and absolutely irresistible decorating trends. Imagine walking into a home where every detail whispers comfort, warmth, and elegance, where pumpkins aren't just orange and fairy lights turn ordinary nights into magical evenings. In this video, we'll explore 10 unique fall decorating ideas you've never seen before, each one designed to spark your imagination and transform your home. Let's dive in, and remember, do you prefer gold or red decorations? Comment below, I'd love to hear your choice. Picture stepping into a rustic farmhouse living room where the glow of amber fairy lights bounces gently off weathered wood furniture. Soft knit blankets in earthy tones are draped across the couch, and neutral pumpkins sit proudly on the coffee table, creating a scene that feels both nostalgic and fresh. Outside, blurred golden leaves fall softly against the window, casting warm shadows across the room. This isn't just fall decor, it's the essence of cozy living. Can't you just imagine sipping hot cider here, surrounded by the magic of the season? Now, imagine a modern minimalist kitchen, where sleek white cabinets meet the elegance of golden maple leaf garlands. Matte black candle holders stand tall on the countertop, surrounded by muted ceramic pumpkins that bring warmth without clutter. The blurred background glows with bouquet lights, creating a cozy, cinematic effect that feels right out of a lifestyle magazine. This is fall reimagined, minimal, chic, and unforgettable. Would you decorate your kitchen this way, or stick with traditional fall colors? In a bohemian bedroom, the story of fall unfolds through layers of texture and warmth. Plush pillows in rust and mustard tones invite you to sink in, while pampas grass in tall vases sways gently under the glow of hanging lanterns. The blurred background glimmers with cozy light, creating a dreamy, almost enchanted feel. This isn't just a bedroom, it's a sanctuary where fall colors blend seamlessly with boho charm, a place where mornings feel slower and evenings linger a little longer. Picture walking into an entryway that immediately makes you feel at home. A giant wreath crafted from dried oranges and cinnamon sticks greets you with its sweet and spicy aroma, while wicker baskets filled with plaid blankets sit waiting for guests. Candles flicker on a console table, their light reflecting softly against the blurred hallway beyond. This is not just an entrance, it's an invitation, a promise of warmth, comfort, and connection the moment you step inside. Now shift into a Scandinavian-inspired space where less truly becomes more. Clean white walls allow natural wood shelves to shine, decorated with mini pumpkins, amber glass bottles, and sprigs of eucalyptus. Through the blurred window, a golden sunset spills its light across the room, creating a cozy fall atmosphere that feels timeless and pure. This kind of decor doesn't just celebrate the season, it honors simplicity and balance, making every detail intentional and serene. Step outside onto a cozy patio where fall feels alive in every corner. Wooden chairs are draped with chunky knit throws, while lanterns filled with tea lights cast a gentle glow across scattered pumpkins. In the blurred background, the forest shows off its autumn colors, painting the scene with natural beauty. This outdoor setup is both romantic and comforting, perfect for cool evenings, deep conversations, or simply watching the leaves dance in the breeze. Can you picture yourself here? Even a small office corner can come alive with the magic of fall. Imagine a desk decorated with copper mugs, burnt orange candles, and a mini wreath that hangs as if whispering, "Welcome autumn." The blurred background sparkles with fairy lights, transforming a workspace into a cozy retreat. This isn't just about productivity, it's about surrounding yourself with inspiration, warmth, and seasonal charm that makes even work feel like part of the celebration. At the heart of the season lies the dining table, a place for connection and joy. Here, velvet pumpkin centerpieces take center stage, paired with golden cutlery and linen napkins tied with sprigs of herbs. A blurred fireplace glow sets the mood, wrapping the scene in warmth and elegance. This fall dining setup is not just about meals, it's about creating moments, memories, and traditions that feel special and timeless. Wouldn't you love to host a dinner here? Tucked away in a rustic reading nook, fall comes alive through texture and light. An oversized armchair covered in plaid blankets invites you to curl up with a favorite book. Stacked books double as decor, topped with small pumpkins, while candles glow softly nearby. Outside the blurred window, autumn leaves fall gently, reminding you of the beauty just beyond the glass. This is the kind of cozy escape that makes time slow down, where stories and seasons intertwine. Finally, imagine a contemporary living room where fall meets modern elegance. Floating shelves display autumn art prints, ceramic vases filled with golden wheat stalks, and pumpkin-shaped candles that glow softly in the blurred background. The clean lines of modern design meet the warmth of seasonal touches, creating a space that's sleek yet cozy. This is fall decor with a twist, timeless, stylish, and unforgettable. And that's the magic of fall decor in 2025, 10 unique and cozy ideas that bring warmth, beauty, and creativity into every corner of your home. From rustic farmhouses to chic modern spaces, there's a little inspiration here for everyone. Which idea was your favorite? And tell me, do you prefer golden fall decorations or bold red ones? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Bouncy for even more seasonal inspiration. Until next time, keep your space cozy and your heart full of fall.